Hi, I'm Rashmi Agdekar and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. The first step is to always apply a good moisturizer to your face. Massage it into your skin using an upward motion. I take my own sweet time to do this step because it not only helps the makeup to set on my skin well, but also gives my face an instant lift. Now it's time for foundation. Dab some foundation on your whole face using your fingers and blend it with a stippling foundation brush. I have used a light coverage foundation today for my natural daytime look. If you have any dark circles like me, use a color corrector under your eyes before you conceal them, and I'm going to do the same. Then I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now apply a concealer which is slightly lighter than your skin tone to brighten up those under eyes. Use the same beauty blender to blend everything together for a smooth finish. Set the base in place with some loose powder. This would make sure that your look stays in place for a long time. I am applying a cream blush with my fingers here for a naturally glowing effect. Cream blushes last longer and gives a natural color to the face. I am applying the same blush on my eyelids for a flushed look. Now with a small flat eyeliner brush, I'm going to apply brown eyeliner. Brown liners are best for a soft, nude and natural look. I always prefer them over black. Now using the same brush, I'm going to define my lower lash line, which would help my eye to open up a bit. Brush your brows using a spoolie and fill them with your favorite brow pencil and give it a desired shape. Apply a generous coat of mascara on your lashes. Don't forget your lower lashes as well. Brush them out with a spoolie and fan them evenly. Apply a lip balm and cover your pout with a nude pink lipstick to complete your look. And you're done! Tell us what you think about this soft glam look in the comments below. Thanks for watching.